All right, so now in this one we are actually handling this checkout redirection. Okay, so now as I said before, we are already getting this next equal to cart and checkout. Okay, this is actually showing us because we have actually put the put the login required decorator for this checkout view, right? So that's why it is it is telling us next equal to cart and checkout. Okay, so that's why, but by default it does not work. It will just show you, but it is our work to make it work. Okay, so now when I click on login, this is obviously it is going to the dashboard. Because it is going to the dashboard, it is because we are actually in the views .py accounts app. So when we are logged in here, okay, or .login messages .success, you are now logged in. So here what we are doing, we are specifically redirecting the user to the dashboard here. Okay, so this is the place where we want to handle this situation. Okay, so in this case what we need to do, we need to actually check if there is anything with the next keyword. Okay, so if there is anything like this, next equal to cart or checkout or something else, okay, maybe other thing. So that time what we need to do, we need to get the value of this, and accordingly we need to redirect the user, okay, to that particular page. Okay, so first of all, here what we will do, see, there are different approaches to handle this situation, but in this one we are actually implementing the request library. Okay, so using this request library we will actually send redirect the user to the proper page. Okay, so first of all we need to install this request library. Okay, so let me stop the server and make sure you are inside the virtual environment, and let me just say pip install requests. Okay, there are other approaches also, like you can use url parse or something else for this to handle this situation, but anyways I found this one very easy and helpful, so that's why I'm going with this one. Okay, pip install requests, and let it install. Okay, now you can see this one is installed now. So let me run the server again. So once this is installed, the second thing we need to do is we need to just import it here. Okay, let me just say import requests. Okay, so now this is imported. So we'll come back to this redirect code. So here what I'll do, instead of this return redirect to the dashboard, so what I'll do, I will just say after this messages I will say URL is equal to request dot meta dot get, I will say http underscore referrer. So what this http referrer will do is it will just grab the previous URL from where you came. Okay, so in our case it is this one. Okay, this whole URL. All right, so it will store that URL inside this URL. Okay, and this is not coming from the requests library. Okay, because that is a requests. Okay, so now this is just a get request. All right, so now you can see this is not requests. Okay, it is just a singular request. All right, so now what we will do, I will just say try. Now I'll say query is equal to, so now we are using a request library. Query is equal to requests dot utils dot URL parse, and we will give this URL to here, and dot query. Okay, so what this line of code will do, we will just print it. Okay, we will print a query. What I'll do, just to show you, query. Okay, we will print this now. So we'll print this, and let's just go to here, refresh. Wait, our server is okay. Return redirect dashboard. So something is wrong, right? Okay, so this should be here. All right, so okay, with the try block we should also do except. And except, let's just pass it for now. Okay, okay, now you can see we have this we have this next equal to cart checkout. When I log in, now this has redirected to the dashboard, but still we should get what the query is giving us. See what this query gave us is next equal to cart slash checkout. Okay, so after this question mark, it gave us next equals cart slash checkout. So it gave us like this. Okay, so for that we used the query. Let me log out now. Let's continue. We will actually split this equals part. Okay, so now this is like this. No, next equals cart slash checkout. Okay, so now this is like this, query is like this. So what we will do, we will actually take the query and split this equals part and all. Okay, I'll say params is equal to what I'll do, I have this code already. I'll copy and paste it here. Okay, so this is actually making this as a dictionary. Okay, so next will be the key, and this cart checkout will be the value. Okay, and with this this x dot split is splitting the equal sign. Okay, so now if you print this one, this params, now you will properly understand what exactly it is. Now you see params, and I'll print params. We don't need, okay, let it be here. I'll just say print so that you will understand properly. I'll go to this and add one product checkout. So now we have this next equal to cart checkout login. This is logged in. Now let's see in the console what we got. Now you can see query is this one. Okay, so we got the next equal to cart checkout and params. What this code did is this code actually split this equal sign and made this next as a key and this a cart checkout as a value. Okay, so we got this value now. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to actually redirect the user to this part. Okay, value of this next. All right, so now what I'll do, now I don't need this. I'll just get rid of this. We have the params now. So now I will say if next in params. Okay, if we will see if next keyword inside next key in the params, we will now say next page is equal to params of next. Okay, so now this will give us what we need. Okay, now I'll say return redirect to where, next page. Okay, we got the next page here, we are putting it here. Okay, redirect to next page, and here what the next thing is, inside this, like the inside the except block, we will cut this and paste it here. Okay, now this should work fine. Okay, now I'll go to this page and I'll log out cart. I'll add the product to the cart. Now I go to the checkout. When I'm logging in now, so when I'm logged in, then what should happen, it should take me to the cart and checkout page. Okay, it should take me to the checkout page instead of the dashboard. Okay, I'll just say login and it took me to the checkout page. Okay, so this one also we should, I think we need to fix this one. Okay, let's go ahead and fix that one. Okay, because we actually need to see all these things here. Okay, this all these cart items here. Okay, so inside here we need to see. So what I'll do, I'll go to the checkout view. In the carts and views we have this checkout view. So in the cart we actually handled it for authenticated user, but for this one we did not do anything. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy this if till here. Okay, if request user is authenticated to true, is active true, I'll just cut it. Oh, sorry, not cut, just copy it. Okay, and here you remove this thing. Okay, yeah, correct. So these two lines we don't need, just paste it. Okay, now we refresh page, we got all the cart items. Okay, so 1112, so if you see here 1112. Okay, proper, all the quantities also coming. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, so anyways, it was like, it took me a lot of time to make all these functionalities. Anyways, this is what happens when we are handling the product variations. Okay, so if we had only the products, then it would have been done long back. Okay, so now we are actually properly properly configured all these things. All right, so that's all for now. Maybe in the next one we should go with the place order. Okay, so this place order. Okay, first name. All right, so already we have set up this billing address form. So what else remaining is, we need to make a order and payment functions. Okay, so we'll do that in the next one. Thank you.